Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to back up the chat history in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, worry not, the process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to back up the chat. At the top right, you can see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Right here, you can see something called as Backup and Transfer. Just below the personal info section, simply click on this button called as Backup and Restore Chat History. Click on it right now. Guys, that is it. Once you click on it, something like this will pop up. Then it's gonna give you two options, whether you want to backup or restore. For now, we simply want to backup, so I'm gonna click on this button right here. And this is it, guys. Initially, it's gonna ask you to set your backup pin. I'm gonna enter it right now. As you guys can see, I have entered it. Now all I'm gonna do is click on next. And this is it. Now it's gonna ask you to select a Google account. I'm gonna select one right now. Well, I have selected the Google account. Now all I'm gonna do is give my permission. I'm just gonna click on allow. And that's it, guys. Once everything's okay, simply click on this button that says Start Backup. And that is it. That's how you back up chat history in line. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.